Hi, Gohan. Greetings to all of you. Excess sebum production, epithelial cells, and keratin cells obstruct the pilosebaceous unit that is called an acne. According to Ayurveda, acne is defined as Yuvana Pidaka, which is categorized under the minor disorders or Shudra Rogas. Vitiated Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, these Tridoshas, and blood connective tissues are worked together to make acne. Vata doshas make itching and darkness and pain in your skin, which Pitta dosha make pus formation. And the cover, that manifestation of the acne, that is, the stages of the acne, comedones, macules, papules, pustules, and comedones levels that manifest kapha doshas. For treating acne, we use two methods. One, purification method, that is Shodhana, and Shamana, that is, we carminate the vitiated doshas on the location, that is, on your skin. For the purification process, we use a lot of blood purification Ayurvedic internal drugs. We promote a healthy diet and a good intake of water and a stress-free life and a sound sleep with 5 to 6 hours of sound sleep to have an acne-free skin. For Samana Chikitsa, the vitiated Vata, Pitta and Kapha doshas are culminating on the spot, that is on your location, that is on your skin. We use a lot of external preparations for culminating these three doshas. Today, we are going to make some small but very effective preparations for your acne skin. So let's go back to it. First, we are going to make a nice cleanser. We are using beetroot extract, tea tree oil, and glycerin. Beetroot is enriched with vitamins and glutathione, which naturally whiten your skin and gives nice glow to your skin. And it also contains vitamin C and glycerin. And we are using today tea tree oil that is typically good for acne skin. Researchers have proven that it's worked on the acne skin to prevent and to spread microbes in the skin, to prevent bacterial, viral, and fungal infections out of your skin. That's very good combination of acne skin. We use 2 tablespoons of beetroot extract and 1 tablespoon of glycerin and a half teaspoonful of tea tree oil. We mix these combinations together to make a nice cleanser and apply on your face and cleanse it 2 or 3 minutes, and gently wash off with warm water or lukewarm water. After cleansing the face, we are going to use a scrub. Today we are going to make a scrub made out of Manjistha powder. Manjistha is a very good herbal powder that combines Vata, Pitta and Kapha, these three doshas. And also we are going to use a fat-free yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid. It's a very good property for natural peeling effect of your dead skin cells layers on top of your skin. So we use these things, two things together. 2 tablespoons of Manjistha powder and 2 tablespoons of fat-free yogurt. We mix these combinations together and make a nice scrub. Just apply on your face and leave it for 2 or 3 minutes and scrub it nicely. Not hard, gently scrub and wash it with lukewarm water. This is, we recommend not to use steamers because steaming will increase your sebum production to your skin and that will increase more acne. After nicely cleansing and scrubbing your face, we are going to use an ice pack. So we are going to make that pack with Manjistha powder, Chandana or the white sandalwood powder, and mixing with Pinda oil, which has been using for treating acne for 100 years by Ayurvedic doctors. We are mixing these combinations together. 1 tablespoon full of Manjistha powder and a 1 teaspoon of white sandalwood chandana powder and 2 teaspoonful of Pinda oil. We mix these combinations together and make a nice paste and just apply on your face and leave it for 15 minutes. After that, cleanse and nicely wash off with lukewarm water. Then we are going to make a serum. Today we are going to make a serum that is water-based because we are treating today acne. So we are going to make this serum with using honey, glycerin and rose water. Honey is a very calming, effective, and a very cooling, soothing, and give nourishment to your skin. It has many vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D and vitamin C. And rose water also give hydration to your skin. And with these three combination, we are going to make a nice serum and just apply at night. As you made that serum that is water based, just after that serum, you have to apply a moisturizer because it's a water based serum. So then we have to apply a moisturizer. Then after that, if you are going out to the sunlight, you have to apply SPF above 30 sun protecting sun barrier cream. Not only external preparations or applications will work on your acne skin. You have to follow a good dietary habit, good water intake, and a stress-free life. Today, I think this video will give you a comprehensive knowledge about how to maintain an acne skin. See you in a very prospective event. Thank you very much.